8 years ago in 2010, Mark Zuckerberg once said that Facebook will always be free. Now, in the year 2018, the Facebook version will always be the one who will be free, says Zuckerberg Congress. This statement has opened a possibility of a single day that anyone can come to pay for using Facebook, which will be without advertisement without any doubt and will not hurt Zuckerberg from this problem. From now on, she is still asking for apologies against the Congress. But will people pay for this Facebook version of advertising? According to an online survey, most Americans are not willing to pay for any money. 77% of Americans say they would prefer the current version of the advertisement, while 23% said they would pay if the ads were not available. Facebook uses their data to offer advertisements to their customers and earns them with the help of these ads. The US earns $9.50 a month in the US. So we can say that if any Facebook version of Facebook comes, it will definitely be worth it. According to the survey, about 42% of those who are willing to pay those who say they can pay between $1 to $5. 25% say they can pay $6 to $10 for Facebook. This survey was conducted on April 11 with 750 American adult citizens.